Hi kids, let's read together an interesting story, Magical Garden of Learning. Hope you will enjoy it. Aisha was a bright girl who loved two things most, her garden and her books. Every evening she watered her roses, tulips, and sunflowers. They bloomed happily in the sunshine. As she watered them, Aisha whispered, "Grow strong, my friends, just like me when I study." One week, Aisha decided to play all day. She forgot to study and even forgot to water her plants. Slowly, the flowers began to bend and look sad. The garden lost its bright colors. At school, Aisha's teacher noticed she was not paying attention. Aisha felt worried. That night, Aisha had a magical dream. Her garden came alive. The sunflower said, "We need water every day. Without it, we grow weak." The rose added, "Your brain is like a garden. Without study and practice, it would not grow strong." Aisha woke up and made a routine. Homework first, then reading, then garden time. Her flowers became brighter and Aisha became smarter in class. When friends asked her secret, Aisha smiled. "Treat your mind like a garden. Study every day and it will bloom beautifully." I hope you have enjoyed to read this story. Stay connected if you want to read more. Take care. Allah Hafiz.